fellow Zambians, mwati mwamvera uko, mwati akufikani nkani. Ati bataba mu parliament lero, ma members of parliament. Ati bacha kamwendo mpulumuzi. Ati bacha matago mpeluviro. So guys, ata wanachema video ya trending hapa ma social media hapa. Bataba batoka parliament. What could have made these people walk out of parliament? Because it is very unusual to hear that members of the ruling party have walked out of parliament. I think maybe yani karibu imvera hapo ine kutoka penambo konka nkani ya politics. Kambiri, when you hear that MPs have walked out of parliament, it is the opposition. So I've been asking myself questions. What really transpired? What really happened? What made these UPND members of parliament to walk out of parliament? So I've been trying to look around to see which MP I can ask. But kuoneka ruling side kulibebeba kama po vilivonze. So I'm currently joined by Honorable Binwa Mpundu, by MP Bakunkana, who is just going to help us understand what really transpired. Honorable, we have just heard kunani kuchoka ma parliament huko. Maybe just share with us what really happened, what transpired.
Honorable Kafwaya, the MP for Lunte, moved a motion of adjournment. What a motion of adjournment means is that at the time of adjourning, you have applied to move a motion, and the particular motion he moved was that we look at practical solutions that would address the cost of living, the ever-rising cost of living. Sadly, fellow citizens, is that the members of parliament from the UPND, the ruling party, walked out of parliament to collapse the column.
Okay, olomakamba kuti the youths of Zambia are too young and mature or childish to handle these political positions. I mean, if you, the elders, are doing this in parliament, I think us, we can do it better. Because mwina kuyanka, simu zinali kuyanka bwino peba samula baanti kanyimbo. Isema youth hapa seme kwa mbeka munga ni kuwaza. Is this what we voted you for? So, Honorable, why did they do this, guys?
To collapse the column. When the column...
they didn't want the column to be made. Meaning?
When the column collapses, it means that you cannot continue transacting the business. Many of you have argued many times that we on the opposition have never attempted to find solutions to the problems that this country
contains. The walking out was not that maybe bayambanako na muntu somewhere yao kunali kutukana na kozikambira mu parliament tikambira kuti bantu bachoka. It's because maybe this one said something they were not happy. It was just because someone raised the emotion so that you discuss a lasting solution to the continued high cost of living. Then we are on our own. Honestly, if people can't sit down to discuss and find solutions to the problems of the current cost of living, then they are not representing us. They are just representing themselves. Yeah, I thought maybe kulichabe nkani inangu chabe yaba kuyisa amne banyamukira. Kazi ngani ya cost of, those are issues that have to be discussed now as we speak. We need to find a solution because the honest truth is that things are becoming expensive. Things are becoming expensive. Yes, we understand we've had challenges here and there, but we need to sit down and discuss what would be the lasting solution to these problems. So when somebody moves the motion that we discuss these things and then people find it right to walk out of parliament, then we are on our own. Yeah, clearly people are not representing us. They are representing their interests, and it is sad. And I think parliament should amend the laws. This behavior of members of parliament, whether from the opposition or ruling, walking out of parliament whenever there is an issue to be discussed, is uncalled for. And it is not a representation of the people that are in the communities. It is not a representation of the people that are in the wards. It is not a representation of the people that are in the constituencies. I don't think anyone in the constituency would love to see their members of parliament walk out when it is the time to discuss such kind of an important matter. I think if people are not ready to go to parliament and discuss issues, they should never in the first place stand. There should never be a motivating factor for one to leave parliament, because that is a house of laws. That is where policies are made. So it is disappointing. It is honestly disappointing. It is disappointing that we are reaching such levels. If it were the opposition, would have understood, but the ruling walking out of parliament, ha, it's strange. It is strange. So mingala tosinga sire, that's why nakufazi afika.
If you're not yet on 1xbet, you are missing out. Everyone else now is coming to 1xbet. Why? Because 1xbet tiziba kusunga bantu. My odds are very high, and where to actually earn your money from? Kuli variety ni matebeto. There's La Liga, there are 1x games, there's Bundas, there's Champions League, there's Premier League, there's FA Cup, and there are also other games like cricket, boxing, swimming. There are a number of areas you can actually earn your money from. And remember, to get a bonus of up to 300%, you need to make a deposit after you have used the promo code KEDUMBO. That's what I say, promo code KEDUMBO, just forget. So register today.